All right, everybody. Hey, everybody, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. Super excited. I did a live earlier. Obviously, some people can't catch the lives, and it's a little bit, you don't have much control of what goes on in the environment and what's happening in the background, but, you know, I'm super excited. So, I went to Blythewood Bee Company today to get a carniolan queen for my my little split hive that I had put a queen cell in, that the queen cell didn't hatch. It was dead. So instead of making them wait another month, I actually put a queen in there today. She took right into them, and now I'm starting to see some foraging action in the front, which I usually don't see from that hive. I'm glancing over at it. But back to the point at hand. Swarm Commander, new product, brand new. I'm the first YouTuber to put this out anywhere. So it's a Swarm Commander single use, well, they call it single use vial, and it's an ampule with the gauze on it, and right on cue when my dogs hear me talk, they start talking just like kids. So I'm going to try to do this. All right, so the new Swarm Commander product is going to come in an ampule, just like this. It's going to be on a card, and it's going to have several of them in the pack. But it's a ampule that you snap, and it's got the gauze on the end, or it's got a plug in the end that will allow that Swarm Commander to it'll go into that swab, and you can just use it. So what I'm going to do is, I've got this trap here that really needs to be rebaited. I just had it sitting up in the tree, so I'm going to go ahead and try that right now. First time ever, guys, that be able to see this vial. Let's see how difficult it is to snap. Might be hard. Nope, just squish it in my fingers, and I can smell it. It's in the swab. So what I'm going to do is, I should have done this ahead of time. Nice spider. I'm going to go ahead and just swab some by the door right here. Hopefully you can see me. Just going to swab it. And since I have it tied up here, I'm just going to roll this in there. I'm going to actually flip it to the back of the hive for like an extended release. Let's see if that works. Yep, shot it right to the back like I would a Q-tip or something. And there you go. Brand new from Blythewood Bee Company, Swarm Commander. I guess you'll be able to find these at swarmcommander.com, blythewoodbeecompany.com, and probably I can imagine Man Lake and all of the other places you buy your Swarm Commander will be able to get it. But Blythewood Bee Company here in Blythewood, South Carolina, actually manufactures this, and Honeybee Gone and Honeybee Healthy and some of the other supplements and stuff and beekeeping supplies. So this brand new product, single use, you just crush it, it'll soak into the tip right there. Hopefully you can see that. Soak into the tip of the gauze. You put some on the door and inside your hive, just like you would the spray. But I like this better because, for me, when I was spraying my Swarm Commander on the bait boxes, I couldn't control how much I was actually putting in there. So this is already pre-measured out for you. I think it's a good idea. I don't know what the price is going to be, because like I said, when I went to Blythewood Bee Company to get my queen, they gave me this little video to try out, so I wanted to be the first guy. I'm the first guy on YouTube to show this new product. So it's a Swarm Commander, I guess it's a ampule or vial that's, I guess it's going to be single vial, or it'll be it's a crushable vial, and you use it one time. So just crush it, let it soak into the gauze. Once it soaks into the gauze, you'll wipe it on the front of the hive. And what I did is I just chucked it in like, you know, like I would have a Q-tip or something else. But we'll see what happens. So far this year, all of my swarms I've caught from trees. I haven't caught any in a box yet. So my other video, Swarm Commander versus Lemongrass Challenge, I don't have a verdict on that. I know some people have asked about that. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. So follow me for this one, and we'll see what happens. But look for it at swarmcommander.com and Blythewood Bee Company. Talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.